In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Adobe Photoshop not responding on Windows 10 and Windows 11 using a simple step-by-step troubleshooting workflow. If Photoshop keeps freezing, hanging, or showing the not responding message, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by corrupted preferences, GPU issues, or a temporary system glitch, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. Make sure you watch until the end because the second fix solves the majority of Photoshop freezing problems. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows and Adobe troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is force close Photoshop. This is the fastest, immediate fix if the program is completely frozen. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. This will open the Windows Task Manager. If it opens in compact view, click on More Details at the bottom. Now look through the list of running apps and find Adobe Photoshop. Click on it once to select it, then press End Task in the bottom right corner. This will completely shut down Photoshop, even if it's not responding. Once it disappears from the list, close Task Manager and reopen Photoshop normally from your desktop or Start menu. If Photoshop opens and works fine, the issue was just a temporary freeze. But if it freezes again, move on to the next fix. The second method is the most important one because corrupted preferences cause the majority of Photoshop crashes and freezes. We're going to reset Photoshop preferences. To do this, make sure Photoshop is completely closed first. Now hold down Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on your keyboard. While holding these three keys, double-click the Photoshop icon to launch it. Keep holding the keys until you see a prompt asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Click Yes. This will reset Photoshop back to its default configuration. Don't worry, this does not delete your projects or images. It only resets internal settings. Once Photoshop opens, test it by creating a new document and performing a few actions, like adding text or using a brush. If everything runs smoothly now, then the issue was corrupted preferences and you're good to go. If Photoshop opens but freezes while you're actively working, especially when using tools like Blur, Camera Raw, or large brushes, then the issue is very likely related to your graphics card. In that case, we're going to disable the GPU temporarily to test it. Open Photoshop, then go to Edit at the top menu. Click on Preferences, and then choose Performance. Inside the Performance Settings window, look for the option called Use Graphics Processor. Uncheck that box to disable GPU acceleration. Click OK to save the changes, then completely restart Photoshop. After restarting, test your workflow again. If Photoshop no longer freezes, then your graphics driver is likely outdated or incompatible. To permanently fix that, you should update your graphics driver directly from the manufacturer. If you have an NVIDIA card, open NVIDIA Control Panel or visit the NVIDIA website and download the latest driver. If you're using AMD, open AMD Software Adrenaline and check for updates. If you're on Intel Graphics, open Intel Graphics Command Center and install the newest driver available. After updating, you can try re-enabling the Use Graphics Processor option in Photoshop to restore full performance. By following these three steps, force closing the app, resetting preferences, and checking your GPU settings, you can fix almost every Adobe Photoshop not responding issue on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this guide helped you fix your problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Adobe and Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.